Well, hello there, everyone. Hope you're having a good day on our house build day. What is this? Wednesday. But I just want to give you an update as far as real estate. Ciao, how are you? Good. This house right next to me, it sold for 13,500,000,000 just last week. So what is 13,500,000,000? Find out right now. It is 511,000 for this one. The one next to me is mine that I've been living in. And before I bought the land over here, we asked the landlord if they wanted to sell it at least 5 times. And they said no. So luckily they said no because I bought the land and built my own house. But I wouldn't mind buying this one because I like the floor plan and I could just do some renovations to it and it'd be fine. But they didn't want to sell it. So now, within the last month, within the last couple of weeks, all of a sudden wants to sell. And I'm like, well, I asked you 5 times, but you didn't want to, but now you do. But she was asking $15 billion. $2 billion more than the one next door. And you know what? She got $15,300,000,000. Unbelievable. So we're talking $15,300,000,000. There you go. $580,000 for this. So it's a good investment. I mean, I bought my land for just under $10 billion, and I'm building the house, probably $2.5 billion. So that's $12 billion, $12.5 billion, and my house should be, much more custom home. So it's a great investment. Already making money, but if you live there, I mean, you're not really making. You have to live there, so you're not making anything. But in the future, if you want to sell it, you make a nice profit. So a good investment here in Da Nang, right here in this community. Right here is the most desirable community area in Da Nang. It's private. You're centrally located. As soon as I leave here, I'm right in the middle of everything. So it's really nicely located and very safe. So let's get on to the build. As you see, they're continuing to cut the trees. As you can see, pretty big haircut. But doesn't matter. It'll be full bloom again within the year. So let's go walking on the project. That's a lot of branches. Ciao. Good job, guys. Yeah. Uh-oh. Smoking? There he is. He chops them up. All right. Uh-oh. There she is. Ciao. Lam thốt lam. Lam thốt lam. Oh. Tạm biệt. All right. big development already today. We're putting the marble guys here with the marble, and they're cutting, and they're putting in the stairway. So a lot happening, a lot. Just so you know, this is the marble for the stairway, and it's 100% marble. Ciao. Ah, as you see, yeah, that's one of the steps, I think. Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow, see how they do that? There's the marble man. Ciao, Ann. Looks like they're mixing the goo there. Mix it up, hardens. All right. So they're prefabbing these stairs. All right, I hope it's going to look nice. You can see we started this pillar right here. It's not done yet, but looking good. Bathroom down here. Looks like the walls are pretty much wrapped up. Let's see. Oh, we still have the back wall to do and the side here. Looking good, looking good. Yeah. Man, I'm excited about this stairway too. See how it looks. And then we got the lighting. It's going to go under each step, so this will all light up. Each step will light up. Looks like the guys are out to lunch. But here's, oh no, there he is. Looking good. Yeah? Okay? Okay. In Eli's bedroom. Oh, we got some, okay. So this will be the floor tile. I don't know if it's going to match, but I was going to do the same on the floor, but we had this extra tile here, and so we're going to use this on the floor. We'll see when it's done. Okay. Oh, look, and they cleaned it up. Oh. Wow, it's nice. Looking good now with all the spacers out. There's the master floor. Not bad. Wow, it does look nice. Sorry. I think it's going to look, once we clean it up and then put the grout, or what's it called? Not grout, but we're using epoxy. Using epoxy in it. That's better, because these lines in my house, you know, the grout lines, they turn black from just dirt, I guess. I don't know, but they're hard to clean. So that's why I'm going to go with epoxy. The epoxy will not do that, and it'll stay the same color. But man, not bad. Not bad at all. Really nice. Okay. So we still got to go in here, the closet. Anything happening upstairs? Let's see, 3rd level. Oh, okay, got some more. Look at that. All right. Putting in the floor on the 3rd level too. It's okay. As you can see, as I'm all set up to grab which one they want to use. And then they'll probably start on this one. I think I did order a couple more of these tiles. I think we were a little short. A little short on that, but I think I ordered some, or hopefully they do have them. That's the whole thing. You know, if you're short and you want to order a couple more pieces and they go, oh, we're out of stock. And then you're like, you know, problem. But we'll see. I think we'll be all right. It's definitely going to be a gray color bathroom or light blue, whatever. Yep. Anything in here? Nope. So yeah, I met with the solar guy yesterday, and we're gonna put some, there's gonna be a bunch of panels up on the roof. He's gonna do that tomorrow. So we're gonna do some install tomorrow, solar panels. So that's the plan. We'll see. See how the white makes it more brighter and just looks bigger? I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but I like it. I really do like it. Happy with it. Happy with it. Okay. Oh. Dito! Yeah, time to eat and time to take a nap. But these are going to be the steps. See, they're making each step. It's hard to tell the color unless someone say, because right now it has a plastic on top of it. Man. Guys are ready for lunch. Okay. It's going to be nice once they start putting some of these steps in so you can see how it's really going to turn out. So that's the granite slab. So yeah. There it is. Now this is, no, it's marble. I'm sorry, marble. 100% marble. So out here they cut it. They cut it with this grinder with the water. See that? I've been doing a lot of cuts this morning. Okay guys, time for lunch. The tree cutters. Man, they get it way up there, huh? Look how far up the guy is. And he controls it down here. Bantagny, Bantagny, Bantagny.
Tên đây à?
Yeah,
Tên đây à?
yeah.
Dạ. Em tên
Mà
Ah,
Mama.
oh mama. Ciao. Hey, smoking, no good. Come tốt.
không có không hút thuốc được.
Bao nhiêu tuổi?
Bao nhiêu tuổi?
35
No.
35
Oh shit. Oh,
sao không sao.
man, look at that. That's a big ass branch right there he got. Wow.
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 Peace. Okay, ăn cơm.
Ăn cơm.
Mm,
Ăn cơm chưa?
yeah,
Ăn cơm chưa?
yeah.
No.
Ăn chưa?
Con nhá.
Đang náo nhạc.
Ah,
Vợ người là
yeah. But,
vợ
mm,
đâu?
con nhá. Vietnam, yeah. Yeah. Tạm biệt. Okay, see, they're always happy to talk, always smiling, never too busy or stressed.
Goodbye.
Tạm biệt, Ann. Yeah, that's what I like. Everyone just seems to be happy with, I don't know, like, it's not really a stressful life here that we have in the States. You know? Everything's easy, basic. It's about relationships here, not about, you know, making your life stressful like it is over there all the time. Everybody's so stressed. You know, when I go there, back there, it's a change. You know, it's a mindset. You know, when I come here, when I'm in America for a while, I come here and, you know, it takes me like 3 weeks to get out of that mindset of rushing and hurrying and what's going on? Hurry up, the red light's coming, try and make it. But here it's totally opposite. When it's, you know, the green light, they do a countdown. My driver's slowing down to stop, not hurrying up. In the beginning, I'm like, oh man, like just rushing around everywhere over there. But here, not. Okay, time for lunch, time for a nap, and then we'll do another walkthrough later and see how they are doing with the floor and the stairway. All right, I'll see you soon. There, well, it's the afternoon now, so let's see how it looks in the afternoon. I'm sure there's a lot done. I'm pretty excited about seeing this stairway and everything. Oh, we got Koreans right here. I think they're, yeah, Korean, talking Korean. Boy, look how much lighter. Look at the trees now. Look at that. Much more light now in the street. Much more light. Yeah, I think I was mentioning before about them selling the house next to mine for $15,580,000. And mine, the one next door to mine was $13,500,000. And then the one that just sold mine that I live in now for $15 billion. That's 80,000 more just in a couple months. Believe that? There she is again. Ciao. Working hard. Yeah, working hard. So yeah, 80,000 in a couple months. So yeah, good investment. Let's go see. Look at, there he is up there. Oh, here's the guy again. Ciao, Ann. How are you? Good? Oh. Đẹp quá. Yeah, you like? I think so. Boy, look at all the, everything's going on in here.
Đúng không?
Oh, so they're doing, they're doing all the, getting the steps, each one done. Ah,
Ba bao. Cái này là cây.
okay. So here,
Ba bao nhá.
this is how the gonna corner of each step's gonna be. I like it. I don't know if you could see it. It's camera. All right, so yeah, this will be the edge. Of course, they'll clean it up, and then under here will be a light. Anything going on in here? There's the powder room, you call it. Ah, yeah, got almost. Man, it's looking nice. Now, it doesn't look like a jail toilet. Looks like a regular bathroom now. There's the main character. Water, add a little water. And look at all the guys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 just down here. So yeah, these are really gonna look nice. I'm excited about this. I think I'm using that word too much. Excited. Gotta find another one. Oh, am I in the way? Oh yeah, here we go. Wow, this is, I don't know if you could see, but the floor looking good. Nice. Oh, it's hard to see. So we got this bedroom done, just about. Hello. Hello.
Một từ hello xin chào.
Xin chào. Yeah, it's starting to really, I like the way the pattern is now. Looking good, looking good. So today at 6 p.m., they're bringing the solar panels with the crane. They're going to put them up on the roof at 6 p.m. So then tomorrow they're going to install them. So I'm excited about that. I'll have the solar pretty much. The panels tomorrow should be installed, I think. Yeah. So my place is sold, so I definitely have to be in here by October 10th. So that's definitely a deadline. I'm sure now that it's sold. So this one's done too. Oh. Yeah. Okay. And probably tomorrow they'll start on this floor, maybe up here. Yeah, he's getting all the tiles up here right now for tomorrow. Ciao, Ann.
Chào.
So this room will be next. Name Mike?
Bye.
Mike? No, no, no. No, not out there.
Bye.
Yeah. He's asking me if these tiles will go out here on the patio. No. I do have some patio tile that I need. I'm gonna use, yeah, I'll tell the designer, see how much we need for both patios. We have this patio out front. I'm getting a design tile, and then also outdoor in the back, the first level. Yeah. Hey, huh? What's that? Yeah. Very nice. Thank you. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, yesterday, a guy dressed in a Grab jacket, like sometimes I wear a Grab, that's what they use for a motorbike around here, motorbike taxis called Grab. It's a green jacket. Yesterday somebody did a smash and grab of a jewelry store, a well-known jewelry store here. And that doesn't happen here, smash and grab, that's only like in the US or other countries. And they have it on video. I wish I could put it on here to show you, but I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to edit or add a video, but they showed him in there smashing and grabbing jewelry as much as he can, and he ran out, and he had a helmet on, and you couldn't see his face or anything in the Grab jacket, and ran down the street. And people were saying, oh, it's a foreigner, you know, must be a foreigner, because he was tall, so that's a sign right there. But yes, they ended up getting him that night, and it was an American. He was like 28 years old, 29 years old but it's probably on the internet or YouTube. But yeah, they got him. So that's why in Vietnam, if you do something like that, you're gonna get caught right away. Anything like that, people get caught right away. There's no looking for them for weeks or anything. They get you right away. That's why there's not much crime here, because you do crime, you're going to get caught. That's just the way it is. You know? And which is great, because there's no crime, because I know they're going to get caught. You know, the safety here is just very safe place. Like I said it before, like you can go to the beach at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, walk around, not have a worry, not have a care. Even the women don't have a worry, aren't in fear of anything or feel, you know, scared or so. It's really great to be able to not have worry about that. You know, when you know it's safe wherever you go at whatever time. I've never once in the 5 years or 10 years I've been coming here felt any nervous or anything worried. You could walk down alleys at 2 or 3 in the morning, not worry, not feel unsafe. Okay. So I'm starting ordering these fixtures. I already have them. I think I want them to deliver them. I can store them at my house, because what just happened recently, actually today, the faucet that I wanted in the master bathroom, you know, he said he doesn't have it. And I was, you know, like, wait a minute. You know, because that was a faucet I want. Every time I go there, I tell them, and they go, yeah, no problem, no problem. Well, when I need it, they say it's sold out. So I have to find another faucet. So I'm thinking I might have all my faucets and everything here, and I could store them at my house, and then when we need them, just grab them from my place. Bring them down here. So there's always a solution. You know, same thing with this tile, but the tile was good. It's my second choice, but I love it. Go back down. Good. Oh, look, they sand it down. Boy, that's going to look really nice. Let me see that one again. Open. Let me see. Yeah, once it's cleaned up, it's going to look really nice and polished. Yeah. Thank you. So here's, it's not done yet. It's all dirty. But once you clean it up, it's really nice. Get all that dust off of there. Okay. Huh? Cái này, cái này. Yeah, here we go. Behind the toilet. You know, up here I was worried about headroom, but we are okay. I'll be standing probably right around here, so plenty of headroom. Yeah, some of these. Hello. Lên đấy. Ah. Some of these houses they put shit. So that's how they cut the tile here, and they do it straight lines. Straight lines. They've been doing it their whole life. So let me tell him. I gotta ask him something. The marble guy. So that's taking care of the edges, rounding them off. Nice. Over here, he's gluing them together. So they got a thin sheet of plastic over them to protect them. Yeah. I mean, I could tell another contract doing good work. I mean, if you've been in this business long enough, you can tell right away if they know what they're doing. You know, like you can tell when someone's not experienced. Yeah, I know these videos are getting a little long lately, but there's just a lot going on. So he's cutting them out there. Ah, so they have a little system. He's cutting them out there with a water saw, brings them in here, and he cleans them up, glues on the pieces, and then he polishes it. And this guy, he's cleaning his tools.
Hello.
Right down there.
Rửa đồ.
Yeah.
Rửa đồ cho sạch.
Vô chung tôi.
Oh. I'm pretty sure I'll be in on October 10th, but you never know. Things can happen, right? Things can happen. Just hope for the best. You know? We've been lucky that we avoided that storm the other day. That could have held us back for sure, but worst case scenario, if I have to move out and move into somewhere else for a little bit, you know, rent something for a couple weeks or a month, yeah, it'd be a pain in the butt, but, you know, it's not the end of the world. You know, when you get older, it's all about how you look at things. I've been learning that. Everything's in the mind when you get older. So if you think positive, nothing's a big deal. I try to think positive. These are the crew. These guys been here since the beginning. 6 months almost. Or 5 months. Okay. Oh yeah. Man, hey, and. Look good.
Good.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's gonna look good once you clean it up and the light, once you clean it up and the light goes off of it, it's gonna be pretty nice, I think, shiny. Then we're gonna have a mirror from here over, decorative mirror. Hey, go bold or go home, right? So probably tomorrow they'll start putting them steps. It's all right, no rush. Let them work their magic. Stay out of their way. Man, it's so nice to see the work ethic here. Not to where I'm used to, but it's nice to see the work ethic. And they really do work. Everybody works. No complaining. No, you know, I need my 10-minute break. You know, actually my finger's hurting a little bit. I might want to go home. So that kind of stuff. Now, they have their breaks. They take a long lunch break with a nap and no complaining. Yeah. Hey, Ann. We're gonna do one here too. Yeah. Yep. There you go. Communicate with hand signals.
Tao nói vợ chồng chứ có để lệ để cắt vú thì cho anh mất sạch áo rồi. Chứ còn bao lâu mà rớt mất rồi. Hả?
Bắt đầu là thấy tôm cua để là tùm lum đồ hả?
Để đồ nữa đó. Bữa trước để đồ nó mất, khu metro là không mất được. Qua khu này là không mất, có mấy ông bài bạ vô lái.
Yukuda.
Ah.
Không.
Yukuda.
Hey, pull up your. What the heck? Trời ơi. Oh my God. Please. This is a show for kids. Trời ơi. Okay, well, that's the afternoon video. And also, I'll wait till tonight at 6 p.m. They're coming with the solar panels. You know why he wants to come at 6? Because this street has been blocked off because of the trees. You know, they've been blocking the trees off. We had to move our cars. So he said, hey, I'll come tonight because they might block the street tomorrow. So, see? I mean, looking ahead, want to, you know, get the job done. And he figures, hey, if I work tonight, drop off the solar panels, that way we won't have an issue if they do close the street. So, good thinking. I like that. All right, guys, I'll see you later when the solar people are here. Talk to you soon.